Alright, the GoPro died. I got lazy changing the battery, but I got me this nice bass on a Rapala Mardi Gras colored crankbait. Stuck on the net right now, but look at that baby. Look at that. Release our first bass at Louthers. Here we go. Let's have him recoup. There it goes. Baby, did you see it? But then you saw the boil, right? It's cool to have finally a fish finder, knowing that there's fish around here. Again. Yeah, that was the fish. That was the fish that bit it. He let go. Oh, big net. Where's the net? Oh, baby. Boat flip it. There we go. Baby, I think you just broke your PB. It's big, baby. It's Prego, too. Look, that's bigger than my bass earlier. It's getting... Good job, baby. I told you that wrap will get you something. He choked that too. The hook is like all the way in the back. Alright guys, Crystal's fish right here on another Rapala crankbait. There it goes. Nice cast. See if it's still here. Alright, I'm not seeing any fish here. Are you like feeling any bites? You got fish? Oh! Oh, net, net. Oh, baby. Come here. Come here. Oh, what is that?
That's mudfish. It's big old mudfish.
Alright, hold on, chill. Hold on. Hold on, baby. We got him, we got him, we got him, we got him. I know. That's that mudfish over there that I told you about. Holy.
See it.
Baby, that's your new PB. Alright.
Okay, did it swallow it? Because I don't see it.
No. Oh no. That's just a treble hook now over there.
I lost it then?
Yeah, where's the Rapala?
It flew off, Ben. Yeah, because it broke off the line.
Well,
wow.
Baby, it's Prego. Alright guys, 7-pound mudfish.